everybody, welcome back to Adoniya Academy. If you're new to my channel, welcome once again. And please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I come on YouTube. Today's video is a much requested video, so let's get right into it. So a lot of you have asked me for the egg-free lemon curd recipe ever since I posted the egg lemon curd. So just thought I'll make a quick video since I was making it before. So we need some butter, some corn flour, sugar, condensed milk, and some limes or lemon and a little bit of water. So we're going to add the zest of 6 small lemons or limes. When I'm adding it to the sugar directly. When you're zesting lemons or limes or any citrus fruit, just make sure you don't zest the white part of it, otherwise it'll become bitter. So let me just zest all the lemons and I'll get back. So I have about 1.5 teaspoons worth of lemon zest. Let me just mix it with the sugar. Now I'm going to juice out the juice from all of these limes. So about 1/4 cup worth of juice. So I think that should be about 4 to 5 of the limes. Now in the pot, make sure it's hard bottomed. I'm adding in the zest and the sugar, the butter, the juice, and let's put it on low heat and cook it till the sugar and the butter melts. In the meantime, I'm adding water to the corn flour to make a slurry. Mix it well and set it aside. So mix the corn flour with water to make a slurry and just set it aside. Let's wait for the sugar and the butter to melt completely and we'll get back. Once the butter and sugar have melted, add the corn flour mixture. Now at this point, you have to keep stirring continuously until the mixture thickens, and reduce the heat to the lowest setting and cook this until it's nice and thick. Okay, after 3 to 4 minutes of stirring, it will look like this. This will thicken up once it cools down, so don't worry. You just need to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes to kind of take out the smell of the corn flour. So once this is done, remove it from the heat and stir in your condensed milk. Sweetened condensed milk. Stir this, and can you see as it cools, it's just starting to thicken. You can add in a few drops of yellow food color to this. I'm not going to add it. Now strain this and let this strain this. This will remove all the lumps, if there are any corn flour lumps or even the lemon zest, it will remove. We don't need that now because the flavor is infused and it will give you a smooth curd. Now you can pour these in jars and keep them actually store well for about a month. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to cling wrap it. So this is what is left behind. You see all the lumps of the lemon curd and the lemon zest. So this you can put it in jars. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cling wrap this. Make sure it's not very hot when you cling wrap it. Now this goes into the fridge for about an hour to cool down, and then I'll show you how it looks.